All right, people, we're back with another hack. Today we are doing a 2010 Chrysler 300, all keys lost. So let's go. All right, first thing you do is you have your fobik keys, the right ones, and you turn the ignition on. Go to your Autel. A very simple step-by-step instruction with the Autel. Go to Dodge, and then we'll go to automatic selection. Next, we select fobik key because that's what we have. Hit OK. Then we do type 1. All right, now what we do is hit all keys lost because that is going to give us the option to erase all the old keys for the customer since he lost them, which is perfect. So now that we already have the password, we just follow the steps, go all the way through the erasing portion, and we'll get to the key portion in a second. All right, all keys are successfully erased. Now, the fun part, we're gonna go ahead and program 2 keys. All right, now, again, you just follow the step-by-step instructions with the Autel. It's very simple, and you'll be able to program the keys. All right, now 1 key is successful. Let's do the second one. Second key is successful. Now, last thing we want to do is make sure that the keys are working. So we're going to have and hit the unlock and lock button. All right, turn the car on, and we're good. That's how you do a 2010 Chrysler 300. Like and subscribe.